Good morning, student. This is the subject that is the computer graphics for the fifth semester students of the computer science. So let's start with the definition. Computer graphics is the technology that deals with the design and the pictures on the computer. So basically, we know that the computer is an information processing machine, and it is basically used to store, manipulate, and correlate the data. So there are various ways to communicate that processed information that is stored in the computer, uh, that how this information is to be communicated with the user. There are various ways. So computer graphic is one of the way that is used to communicate with the user. So uh, it displays the information in the form of graphics objects such as the pictures, charts, graphs, and the diagram, and instead of the simple text. So any information, any object can be displayed with the computer graphics or by using the computer. So the main goal of computer graphic is to recognize how a visual image can be effective by means of communication, that I said earlier. So second goal is to utilize a broad range of styles. Different styles are to be applied with a combination with the visual images. So third मेन गोल इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर का यूज़ करके हमें क्रिएट एंड मैनिपुलेट द इमेजेस एंड द टेक्स्ट फॉर द यूज़ इन वेरियस print and the digital mediums. So this is the main goal that is used to create and manipulate the images by use of a digital computer. So there are various applications are there for the computer graphics, such as you already know that the automobile engineering, that is basically in which designing of the bikes and the cars are to be discussed, and students may learn a lot about this, and computer graphic concepts are to be used here. Second one is CAD and CAM, computer aided design, automation, information, AutoCAD, मेडिकल हेल्थ में यूज़ करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल एक्सरे, सीटी स्कैन, एमआरआई करवाने के लिए. डेट आर द कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स, जहाँ पर हम कोई पिक्चर को कैप्चर करते हैं एंड देन उसे इन्हांस्ड करते हैं, एंड दैट एनहांस्ड पिक्चर थ्रू द डिजिटल मीडियम हम उसे चेक करके बता सकते हैं कि उसमें किसी पर्सन के जो भी एक्सरे लिया गया है उसमें क्या इश्यूज़ हैं, ईजिली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. GUI ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस ऑफ एनी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, सिमुलेशन एंड एनिमेशंस में हम बेसिकली कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आर्ट एंड कमर्स में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड कार्टोग्राफी में भी यूज़ करते हैं. कार्टोग्राफी मीन्स टू डिज़ाइन द मैप्स, design the architecture of any area. So next are the some of the terminologies which are to be used in the computer graphics. First one is the image processing, which deals with the processing of one image, which is the captured image. That is the image processing, in which image is to be captured, and then that image is to be enhanced. For example, we captured our image or our day life image, then that image we upload on the Facebook or the Instagram. Then first of all we enhance that picture, either the brightness is to be increased or the contrast is to be increased, and then we upload. That is the basically the digital image processing. So second term is pixel, जो हम मेन काफ़ी बार यहाँ पर यूज़ करेंगे. डैट इज़ पिक्सल इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ एनी पिक्चर, फोटो और इमेज, और is the pictorial unit of our graphics. It is also the combination of picture plus element. So the elements of the picture are known as the pixels. In the matrix form, in the mathematical form, the image is represented as a matrix. So matrix is of any form, n into m. There are the number of columns into the number of rows. So these are divided into the number of rows and the column, and the value of each element is known as the pixel. So next is the resolution, the number of pixels present in the unit area. So this is the image. If we can say that this is 8 into 8 image, so 8 into 8 64, then 64 is the total number of pixel that present in that area. Second one is next one is the aspect ratio, the ratio of the number of pixel present horizontally एंड द वर्टिकली, हॉरिजेंटली एंड द वर्टिकली हमने रेशियो निकालनी है, नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल्स कितने बनते हैं, दैट इज़ द आस्पेक्ट रेशियो. Next one is the rasterization. It is the process of determining the appropriate pixel for representing a picture or the graphic object. So rasterization हम प्रोसेस को यूज़ करते हैं डिटर्मिन करना है कि किसी पिक्चर में कितने नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल्स हम यूज़ हो रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज द स्कैन कन्वर्जन. It is the process of representing the continuous picture or the graphic object. It's a collection of discrete pixels. जितने भी number of pixels हम use हो रहे हैं to represent a continuous picture उसे हम scan conversion बोलते हैं, from one image to the another image. Next topic is the components of the computer graphics.